So what do I talk about when I'm saying commenting? Well, what I mean is like one type of comment is you have the in what's called an inline comment that describes the line that it's on. So we know that the two slashes tell me that this is a comment about this line. You can also usually, convention is to put the inline comment above a section. That's also pretty common. However, you can also use multi-line comments to explain a collection. The first multi-line comment you should do is one that explains the program itself. So in here, you have a multi-line comment, and you have coding challenge number 2, and you have author, Mr. Cool Dude 29, and then you have date, or like last updated usually is what you should have. Would be like July 28th, 2020, and then you have a description. Usually you have a space, and then you have your description. This coding challenge is to you have a description there, and you give it like maybe a couple sentences. Explain what it does. Also explain your approach. Like my approach was. Explain what were you doing? What was different than other people? Or what do you want people to notice? Then, because this is so fun, obviously you're gonna want to do it more. So you also have to go in here and comment your functions. So in here, you would have the turn left function, and you have the description, turns the robot 90 degrees to the left, and then you have at param, which means it's a parameter, speed, and then you have a capital letter, the speed of the turn. Done. That's all you need to do. And then we can copy this for the turn right, paste, turn right function. Turns the robot 90 degrees to the right. Param means parameter. Basically, it describes what the parameter does, what it is used for. That way, if I have lots of parameters, or even 2, I can know why I need to provide each one and what it does. Often you can also explain the type of parameter, but I'm okay with it just being as simple as this. And so basically proper code would explain every single function you have. So stop motors, drive straight, drive with sensor, and even the main. You would explain every single one with proper documentation. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to taking a look at your robots going off the sweet jump and navigating the maze, even if I try to move the walls around. Don't forget, it's very important to comment and write descriptions of your code, especially if you're thinking about showing it to a judge or using it to teach someone else, to be able to explain your code so someone else can see it. So it's always good practice to do that. Anyway, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.